Is the audio on?
Yep. Honey, you okay?
Wait, do another one for us.
Are you okay, honey?
Another one, ready? Here it comes. 3, 2.
Oh my god, it's so... Honey, be careful of your band-aid, honey, okay?
Is that your asshole in your mouth? What did you eat, son? Let me pass this beast in peace.
You wanna know what I fucking ate?
We're gonna take a look in a minute.
Get the fuck in here.
Go in. Go in.
I'm not going in there. It's gonna be rough.
Oh, this is a mess, alright.
You take the camera, you go in. It's on record already. Keep just go, it's already recorded.
There's a towel dropped in the toilet.
Oh my god. No, shh.
There's a towel dropped in the toilet.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh, I think I'm gonna throw up.
Close that door.
Oh my god, that was close door.
Oh my god, that was quick. Get fresh air, fresh air, fresh
I
air.
can help it.
Fresh air.
Oh my god. There's shit all over the toilet bowl.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh, they have to pee, hurry up.
Dude, you're gonna throw up if you go in there.
Dude, I can't go in there. I almost did throw up.
Wow. Think of something else. My car, I'm never getting orange.
Yeah, orange.
Feel better.
There's a towel clogged in there.
A towel clogged? How's your double chin thing going on?
Dude.
I
told
can't
you not
go
to
in there.
jump
I
on
can't
that.
go in there.
Flush it, Brian.
Flush it.
Brian,
Flush
clean
it.
up your
There's
mess.
a towel in there.
You put a towel in there.
Are you kidding me? Go get it. It's your
I'm not
vomit.
touching that.
Take it out, throw in the tub.
I'm just about to leave.
So much money.
Oh, really? But Derek can jump on the bed and burn me. This is how this all started.
Yeah, but that was funny. This is
I don't know,
not
I
funny.
just had like hamburger coming up.
Dude, go take the towel
I
out.
can't.
Take the towel
Dude, you
out.
did it, man.
It's not going down.
Oh my god, I can smell
Put
it.
your hand in there. Is he gonna do it?
Hold on, hold on.
Oh, come on. Me touching this shit.
Oh, take this, take this. Honey, take that and put it in there. Throw the towel in there.
Why are you going to be on record?
It's not on
Are you
record.
psycho?
Hurry up because, oh my god.
Wait, go back, open it one more time.
Yeah, I don't think this is going to go down.
No, just take it out.
Why are you recording this, dude? You're psycho.
That smells like shit, dude. Oh! Ew! 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 Oh my god, he's got his arm in his vomit.
There she is.
He's wiping it on his clothes, by the way.
Dude, wipe it all off. Wipe all
Go
this
take
No,
a
I threw
shower.
it in the bathtub.
I know, but wipe all this shit off with another towel.
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up.
Right there.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Around the top. Dude,
Oh, let me get the window open.
it's open.
Close that door, dude. Turn the vent on. Seriously.
We're throwing all the dirty towels out the window.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna watch this over again.
Oh.
I need to take a shit so badly.
The nearest bathroom's downstairs.
Clean
Where is it?
up.
Downstairs?
First floor?
Yeah.
Not happening right now.
Denny, how you turn this thing off?
Dude, I don't know.
Turn it up.
Hit the button
Go
again.
look in the
I'm
shower.
gonna take a picture.
Alright, well.